Third-party resellers assume the risk and expense of developing better solutions for modeling, visualization, and analysis. They help speed the creation and the quality of your project templates and your deliverables. You might want to check out Graitec's Ideate software, since the BIM-Link module lets you export and import parameter data using an Excel spreadsheet. That means it can be easily and quickly edited by all team members, not just your Revit users. You can bypass the limitations and constraints of Revit schedules using spreadsheet functions. Symmetry USA has a similar feature in Navi 8 architecture. Both have many additional tools to manage modeling and documentation, like setting up views and sheets. Many tasks can be automated and scheduled to happen at preset times, outside of normal working hours, such as project health checks or plotting sheet lists. In creating this course, the following add-ons were used, and a few examples of how they helped are shown in movies. 1. PyRevit is open source, and it was used to color code tabs for projects and families. You can also decide what add-in tabs show on the interface. A favorite feature is to create complex region patterns from drafted graphics. PyRevit has many very useful options not covered here. All the other mentioned add-ins have trial versions. 2. Chaos Enscape allows visual confirmation of modeling issues while working. This was within its photoreal window running within Revit, which changes simultaneously with changes in the model. If you can see mistakes as they happen, like incorrect modeling and missing or incorrect materials, that way you catch and correct errors as you go. Recently, an Enscape Insight feature of interest, showing calculated values for similar building types for their location. Fast feedback on a model that helps address energy use and of interest to sustainability experts was added that reveals loading conditions in the model for heating and cooling loads. 3. LandFX for Revit was used to quickly create planting palettes from a database of more than 80,000 plants. It also has features for documentation of planting. Plant families were assembled on the fly with data, 2D and 3D representation, as well as images for the plants that are accessible from the plant palettes. 4. Arch Intelligence's environment was used to model some complex organic landforms. For example, planting beds as Revit floors can be matched to the organic form of Revit topo solids. In short, you can bend planting beds or in hardscape, for example stone mulch, to relate to the organic form of a sloping terrain. Design professions are making the most of what technology has to offer. These technological enhancements are extensions of your skill set. The Avatar Presenter was created with Synthesia, and here again technology means you can document processes and procedures, using multiple characters, create your own custom avatars, and give voice to your script. This can be in multiple languages for your international, diverse workforce. Last but certainly not least, the fact that global e-training content has tools for authors that lets them instantly and interactively update content so as to keep pace with changes, means your suggestions or alternate approaches can be quickly incorporated into training materials. Exciting times for those engaged with technology and for design professionals.